Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is cucumber, and we'll be making cucumber sushi and chicken banh mi. Joining me in our Morris Black kitchen is Dr. Jennifer Janco from St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Ryan Zellner. Where should we start? These sound great.
So for this one, we're going to start with the children's sushi. So this is an English cucumber, hollowed out.
Okay.
You can use like an apple core
Okay.
or anything like that, and just take all the seeds out.
That's a great idea.
Okay.
So we have those already ready to go. We're going to take some vegetables. These are some julienne carrots,
Okay.
some green peppers, and red onions.
And now
And we're just
start
going to chop them up.
tiny. Okay.
We mix them into a bowl.
Uh-huh.
Take some of the sushi rice. We season this up with a little bit of white mirin and rice wine vinegar.
So doctor, why is cucumber so important to incorporate into your diet?
So some of the benefits of cucumber, one, you do get a good water source out of that, so hydration is always important in kids.
So great in the summer on a hot day.
Great, really, and anytime, when they're sick and they need to get hydration. So that's definitely something that's really important. It also just has lots of fiber that's in the skin of and I notice he's serving it with the peel on there, so you get a little bit of fiber in your diet, which everybody needs a little bit of that.
I love how he's just stuffing all the rice inside of there.
Well, that would be a fun part for an older kid because I like to get their hands messy and sort of pick it up and sort of shove it all in there. I could see where
That's a really neat
You
idea.
stole the words right out of my mouth. This is a very kid-friendly dish. We're actually going to start with the banh mi sandwich.
Okay.
The banh mi is a traditional Vietnamese sandwich. So we're serving this with chicken. So I just have this pre-grilled off, almost fully cooked. Pop it in the oven just to finish cooking it and reheat. So I just have a nice Philadelphia Amoroso roll.
And so what's that?
This is a little sweet chili sauce. Now I have the English cucumbers.
Okay.
I'm just going to take these and just slice them nice and thin.
So the same cucumbers that you used to
Yep.
make the children's sushi, now we're
Exactly.
So that's, again, great. You're not
To
wasting
reutilize
anything.
it, you can buy one or two of these, however much you need
And
for
you're
however
cutting
big
them
of a
on a
family
little bit
you
of a
need.
bias, so
Yep.
they're
Make them a little
longer
bigger.
shape.
Yep. This way then I can cut them and they can cover the entire width of the sandwich.
That's actually perfect.
So that perfect width.
And I like how he kept the skin on the cucumber because the skin is very high in fiber.
Yes.
So you don't need to be cutting it off of the cucumber. when
No,
you-
and I think for
eat it.
parents or for kids, you want to get that fiber in your diet. So when you role model those healthy habits and you're eating the same foods, just like you're serving it to your children, that also sets really nice examples for them too.
I have some whole fresh cilantro. All those vegetables that we
Love
used
cilantro.
for the sushi, we're going to reutilize into this dish as
Oh,
well.
great.
Depending how spicy you want it, you can add a little jalapeno. This is one of the last things that we got to do is we got to make a dipping sauce for sushi.
Okay.
Of
Typical
course.
sushi, you just dip in soy sauce. To me, it's a little boring. It's not fun.
We're
So-
not boring here.
Not boring at all.
Okay.
So we just take a little bit of this ginger. I start off by just slicing them
Really
nice and
thin.
thin.
Okay.
And I'm just dropping this ginger right into the soy sauce. And then
Great
And
idea.
what else do you
our
have
little
for us?
secret ingredient here, we make this ourselves at the restaurant. This is black fermented garlic. This has a bit of an aroma to it. This is basically just salt and garlic.
Can you
cannot
buy
be.
that in a grocery store?
You should be able to. Again, this one you'll probably have to go to a specialty store to get. I'm gonna add a little bit of orange juice to this.
Ooh.
That sweetens it
Ooh.
up. Some rice
wine
vinegar.
vinegar.
Just kind of mix it together a little bit.
Very nice.
And now how are we going to slice these sushi? Just
So,
like you would?
just like a regular sushi. So
right,
to finish
so-
up, we're gonna grab this chicken out of the
Check
oven.
our chicken. Nice.
And you're just gonna take that, place it inside your banh mi sandwich.
Wonderful.
Can't wait to try these.
Yes, I know.
Sushi?
Sushi.
Let's grab
Don't
one.
mind if I do.
How's the sauce?
Really good.
A little sweeter, a little different than what you're normally used to.
What a cool idea. All right, grab a piece.
Yep, grab one of the little banh mi's.
Our sauce is great.
Little
You did a
heat,
great job.
vegetables, clean.
I love
love
all
it.
the flavors together.
So much better than a traditional chicken sandwich.